Hi, Carl here from Position Partners, and today we have our iMEX i77R. The issue unit of the i77R is a horizontal only with a single manual slope function. You receive the iMEX LRX10 receiver, standard. You get two 9-amp lithium rechargeable batteries. You receive a 240 adapter with a USB-C charging cord and also a 12-volt charging adapter for your vehicle. Your remote control to be used within 10 metres of the unit to set the manual grade slope. So with all the iMEX I-Series rotating lasers, they come standard with a 5-year warranty. This unit, the 77R, is a red beam laser for external use. Simply turn the button on the power button, allow the unit to level up, and once it's within its range of levelling range, it will begin to spin. The iMEX 77R also with the self-levelling function, so if it gets knocked or bumped on site, the unit will stop spinning when it detects movement, re-level itself and start to spin again. It also has the high alert function, so that if you're in an area where it's quite busy and it gets bumped, you can override it so you can set the unit so that if it gets bumped, it'll stop spinning, it won't level up and start spinning. The reason for that is that we can go back and check that our datum point hasn't moved. So now if the unit is now bumped now, the light here is going to start to flash faster and the unit won't level and spin. Simply press the button, allow it to start spinning, level up and spin again, and we know whether we have to adjust our datum point or not. So each of the I-Series rotating lasers come with a calibration certificate. Each unit has been pre-checked by one of our technicians. We also have service centres which you can find our locations by looking up our website for after-sales service and calibration. We also offer a first calibration free for the first calibration done within 12 months of purchase.